Because around 12:07, when the Philippine Coast Guard vessel is already on the move, China Coast Guard vessel 5205 carried out a dangerous maneuver resulting to its direct ramming on the port bow of MRRB 9701. Obviously, the Chinese Coast Guard vessel 5202 has ignored collision regulation because of such action. And then what happened next after this in 1207 is that it would turn around and then it will reach the starboard quarter of the vessel. It will also directly and intentionally ram MRB 9701 on our starboard quarter. A few minutes after it carried out a dangerous maneuver and rammed the port bow of Teresa Magbanua. On the port beam of MRB 9701, China Coast Guard 5205, 5202, has once again directly and intentionally rammed the Philippine Coast Guard vessel. It is important for us to take note that this ramming happened despite of our unprovoked action and presence in Escoda Shoal. The Philippine Coast Guard vessel did not provoke or did not do anything while we are loitering around Escoda Shoal, but the Chinese Coast Guard carried out dangerous maneuvers despite of being unprovoked. You can find two PLA Navy tugboats, 175 and tugboat 185. You can also see two China Coast Guard vessels, China Coast Guard 4301 and 3104. And Chinese maritime militia in different areas that are proximate within the distance of MRB 9701.